Hello and welcome to our video. My name is Darren Windsor and I'm the Sales and Operations Manager for DMS. In this video we'll be covering the HIU heat interface unit and the heat meter typically selected. But first of all I'd like to do a short piece on the UK Government. In order to achieve its carbon reduction targets, it's expected that an increased number of heat networks will be installed throughout the UK in the coming decade, with heat network investment capital showing a potential of between 16 and £26 billion by the year 2030. If you'd like to know more, a full article is on the front page of our current newsletter. DMS have been working with several of the UK's leading manufacturers to ensure the right decision is taken on the selection of heat metering technology. Following extensive assessments of the metering technology available, the Sontex range of heat meters has been selected to be included in their HIU packages. The Sontex heating and cooling meters are available in sizes from 15mm right up to 500mm. For HIU applications you will typically find a 15 or 20mm 749 or more commonly now the 789 meter, which we'll cover shortly. The Sontex meters are approved for glycol applications, currently suitable for over 100 different types of glycol and also up to a 65% glycol concentration. The full Sontex range are also MRD Class 2 approved, and all the Sontex meters are RHI approved. The meters in question is the 749, which you'll notice has a brass body, and more commonly now we have the 789, which has a composite body. This is used for value engineering projects and has a significant cost saving. Both are available pulsed output and also have emboss options. If you'd like to know more about the Sontex range of heat metering or would like to discuss HIU applications, please give our sales team a call or email on the details below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll see you in our next video. Thanks for watching.